got a nasal congestion here.
Folks, we got a sneezer in.
We got acute stuffiness. Let's move.
A recent study found that 9 out of 10 common conditions treated in the ER, like congestion, earaches, back pain, and sports injuries, are potentially preventable and best treated by your doctor. If an office visit is not available, find out if your doctor can do a telemedicine visit or consider using another telemedicine service.
Clear.
Call your doctor first. Help reduce ER crowding.